Hey, this is Matt Richards with BZBGEAR. We're here at the BZBGEAR booth in North Hall. But what I want to talk to you guys about is going to be our integration tools. We have plenty of different integration tools that we offer. We have from our 3G and 12G SDI all the way to our 4K test pattern generators for HDMI. But we also have a couple of more interesting offerings like our BG 4K BHS Pro, which is not only just an SDI and HDMI test pattern generator and analyzer, it's also a cross converter, so that's pretty cool. But the big one that we're really showing off this year that's absolutely new is going to be our BG-AVTPG-8K. So this is an 8K HDMI test pattern generator and analyzer. That means you're going to be able to do 8K 60 as well as 4K at much higher resolutions, as well as HDR. So really cool product. And then to wrap it all up, we have our small little mini versions, which is the BG-AVTPG Mini and BG-AVTPG Mini G2. So that'll be up to 4K on the regular AVTPG Mini and up to 8K on the AVTPG Mini G2. So thanks for watching, guys. Check out more content coming along at InfoComm 2026.